Hey everyone, so I'm working on a different kind of a project. So I want to make a succulent ball. So I've seen these succulent ball projects on the internet. I went ahead and picked up two of these coir baskets, and now I have filled it up with succulent soil. Okay, but at the same time I have tried to keep the soil as light as possible, because if you're going to make a ball it should be able to take the weight. So while I've put a mixture of succulent soil, some gravel, etc., but I've also put some compost in here because it's going to be very difficult to fertilize this as well. So this is the phase 1 of the project, wherein I have taken two of these coir baskets and I have filled them up with with soil. Now the next step is going to be to close this spear and tie it up to make it a ball. Okay, now we have closed the two sides, the two baskets, and now it's become a nice ball. It's heavy because obviously it has got succulent soil, but it is manageable, right? Because once you put succulents in here, you should still be able to hang it. So what I've done is I didn't really have a very neat wire. I could have used some coir thread, but I got some nylon thread which is a little stronger. So I connected the two sides of these basket and made this particular spear, right? So next step is going to be the planting of the succulents in this. That's going to be phase 3. So this is phase 3, wherein I've started attaching the succulents, but it's taking longer than I anticipated because it's not easy. So you see this one took me a while to plonk this guy in. So and then you have this one and your regular HAs, and there's a small little peacocky pup. The most difficult part or the challenge is to actually put holes into this, make it deep enough for the succulents to go in without disturbing the other. So what I'm seeing is when plugging a hole into this one, something else kind of comes out. So that's something that I need to watch out for. It's going to be a slow project. It's a good stress buster for me. So I'm going to continue doing this over time. So hopefully by Christmas I'm going to have a nice little ball. So for the time being I've just hung it here. I will have to move it to sun at some point once it gets its roots, otherwise it'll get elongated. Yeah, nowhere close to where I want to be, but slowly getting there. So I'm just completing the top layer and slowly moving towards the bottom layers. I'll wait for this to settle down and for the roots to develop before I start planting down. That's the plan. Okay, still not there, but I think I'm pretty happy with how this is slowly turning out. So I have tried to put different succulents I had. This is how it's looking right now. And slowly I'm going to let these root and slowly start doing the bottom. I'm not going to be in a hurry to complete the bottom till the top ones settle and they get rooted.